Over here we have our volleyball, sand court, our pool. So over there, that's like a new building they're building. It's so beautiful. It's all glass too. And I think these are like new. There was like, I believe there was nothing here, and then they started switching it up just because they're trying to expand the gym. Fitwell services. Cool. As you can see, we have a lot of equipment. Okay. Slowly. So, like, my freshman year, this is the only place like I worked out. I did not go downstairs just because I feel like all the buff guys were there and it's a little intimidating. But now I don't care. I just go downstairs whenever I want. Even though we paid for it, I don't know. I feel like all the guys are downstairs and all the girls are upstairs. So yeah, these are all like our leg machines. Zoop. Okay, cool. Okay, so we've officially made a full circle across the second floor. So right now I'm gonna go down to the first floor. So we missed this. This is where we have like personal training offices as well as Fitwell. The people that make everything happen. They're in charge of expanding the gym. So yes, let's go downstairs. Hopefully I don't get... Okay. This is a little intimidating, like going downstairs. I used to not, like I mentioned, but now I do. So we have those, our tennis courts. Oh, you guys can't see it, but yeah. See, these are where all the guys mostly are. I feel like girls, since there's like squat machines, there's more girls down there now. So everyone's trying to grow their booty. Yeah, I think we just, well, I really didn't hang out in the first floor, so I don't really know. But I think those are, sorry, those are just new. We have more free weights. As you can see, they're not family friendly weights. They're like, they're a little. So there's more weights here. This is usually like filled with guys, like really buff guys at night. So I try to come when it's not that busy, which is basically always. Oh look, there's Tom again. So you're gonna try to avoid him, just so, I don't know, hopefully he doesn't say anything. So yeah. Once again, that's the TV. That's where you go up the stairs to the second floor where we were at, and that's like the main entrance. Our locker rooms, I don't know if you guys want me to go in there. I think I just should. But first, let's go see the pool. Okay, so during the summer, it's so pretty and freaking hot. I don't know if you guys can see the bell tower. That's like the center of campus. So this is how it looks like. There's usually okay, so I was saying there's usually Highlander Palooza that happens here, which is just like I think it's just like a celebration when we come back from summer break. And there's so many events that happened here, which at the moment my dumbass can't remember. But we have a hot tub. Oop. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna make our way to the locker rooms. That was perfect. That way I did not have to go around. Boom. So I don't think I could record here, but if I see anybody, I will turn it off. Just because people get like booty naked here. So I don't know. I want to keep it PG, but yeah. Okay, let's see. First I'm gonna see, and then I will walk you guys through it. Okay, so coast is clear. We have the showers. I've only showered here once. I don't remember why, but I don't like to shower in here. Our bathrooms. Oh, look, this is pretty tight. So you put your swimsuits in here and it like dries it up so good. My roommate, she what did she do? Water volleyball. So she saw that and she went like crazy. She's like, I freaking love it. Okay, so haha, worst nightmare is scale. Sorry. Okay. This is where I usually take all my pictures. And yeah, there's a TV as well as the upcoming events. And I think that's all of our gym that I really have to show you guys. But like always, make sure to like and subscribe. If you guys want to see something more, let me know, and I could go back and film like another small little video. So yeah, right now it's 7:40. Yeah, it took a long time. Yeah, so oh, we also have towels here. So we have like small towels and large towels, and I think that's all. I know that we're trying to add like new stuff to our gym. I exactly don't know what, but I will talk to or ask someone what's like gonna happen in the following years. So yeah. Anyway.